Welcome to the serene world of the Gadwall flock after their remarkable migration journey. As these elegant ducks gracefully land on the tranquil water, they bring with them a sense of tranquility and wonder. Watch closely as they form a beautiful mosaic on the water surface. Each bird a unique brushstrokes in nature painting. Their feathers glisten in the sunlight, a testament to the endurance of long flight. Listen to their gentle calls, a symphony of nature's melodies. These are the voices of travelers, sharing tales of distant skies and unknown lands. As they navigate the waters with effortless grace, they remind us of the delicate balance of the natural world. Their presence here is a reminder of the interconnectedness of the living beings. Take a moment to appreciate their beauty and resilience. In the journey, we find a reflection of our quest for harmony and peace. Please watch the video. If you want to get more videos, subscribe to my channel Nature Through Lens.